Some more updates coming in. COVID-19 fraud detected in Bengaluru. A bribe for escape from quarantine in Bengaluru. CNN News 18 has accessed audio of conversation between quarantined people and the BBMP officials. Police people who were quarantined at a hotel asked to pay up and evade the 14-day quarantine. Quarantined passengers were asked to pay as much as 27,000 rupees to evade the quarantine. This is shocking. Coming as it does in Bengaluru, in Karnataka. Bengaluru has again seen a massive spike yesterday, and now we are hearing of this fraud as well.
$27,000 no? 18,200 is the room rent.
Room rent
plus
4,000 doctors. Okay, ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
4,200.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕರೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಇವ್ರೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ರಾತ್ರಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಈಗ 14 ದಿನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅವಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 37 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 40 ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 39 40 ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು
Stacey Pereira is now joining us with more details on the shocking story coming to light from Karnataka. Stacey, first of all, has any action been taken already against this BBMP official who seems to be accepting this bribe to allow people who are under quarantine to evade it?
Well, actually, this whole situation came to light when a lot of the resident inmates right now who have been hotel quarantined at this moment at this hotel in Bengaluru city center had really put it out on Twitter saying that nobody has come to really tell them what is the next course of action. While at the railway station, a few of them who had boarded trains were told that within 2 or 3 days, there would be somebody coming to get their test done, and post that test, if it was a negative, all of them would be let out, which is not what the protocol that is being followed. They have to compulsorily undergo a 14-day quarantine, and which is why all of them have to stay put in the hotel. Now, once they try to reason out with the officials that came there, one of them, they managed to catch that on tape, and one of them has actually told them that if they didn't want to stay that whole time, they could just pay him the room cost for the 14 days, and also to get that certificate from the doctor. Now, what exact certificate is he talking about? Only he will be able to say. But he says that he also misguides them then to tell them that in case that they do the test at some point, after 14 days, they would come to do a second test, and in that case, they would have to stay in the hotel for another 14 days, which means increasing that cost of them for them putting up at that hotel. They would have to pay even more. Remember, this is all, many of these people were told about being quarantined only after getting into Bengaluru, so they were caught quite off guard, having to shell out that much money. Remember, all of them who are in hotel quarantine have to pay from their own pockets firstly, and also, even though these are revised rates by the BBMP, it's not something one would have anticipated, and which is why this bribe allegation definitely is something that the officials will have to dig deep and see what's really happening.
Absolutely. Stacey, many thanks for joining us.